Welcome. This video is about casting off, or binding off as it's also known. This is the way you secure your project and prevent it unravelling. Okay, now let's learn how to do it. First, you need to knit 2 stitches. Then pick up the first stitch and slip it over the top of the second. Now knit a 3rd stitch and pick up the 2nd stitch and slip it over the 3rd, and continue like this until you have only 1 stitch remaining. And now you need to cut your yarn, leaving a nice long tail, and then thread it through your last stitch and then tighten it up, and therefore your project should now be nice and secure. This is of course only one way in which you can finish your project. There are many others and I will cover them in later videos.